Hey there, welcome back to Umbraco Learning Base. My name is Isha, and in this video, I'll show you how to add an additional environment to your Umbraco Cloud project. Adding an additional environment allows you to fully test new features or upgrades before they are deployed to your production environment. Let's take a look. I have a project here called HDTV Amazing Project. The number of environments in your project is dependent on which plan you are on. Since this project is on standard plan, I have a development and a live environment here. I also have the option to add a staging environment as well. If you're on starter plan, you have the option to add a development environment, and if you're on a professional or enterprise plan, you get a development, staging, and live environment. Whenever you add or remove an environment, it will cause all the other environments to restart since some of the configuration files on your different environments are updated. So, before adding or deleting an environment, you might want to check with your team members or client so that you don't run into any issues. To add an environment, we'll click on Manage Environments. Since my project already has a development environment, I now have the option to add a staging environment for an additional price. I'll click on Create a Staging Environment button. A pop-up appears displaying some information about the environment you're about to create. If you're ready to add a new environment, click Yes, Add a Staging Environment. Now, this will take a few minutes, so I'm going to fast forward this to once it's done. Cool, the staging environment has now been added to our project. And that's how you add an additional environment. If you want to add any other environment, the process is the same. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video.